first thing I want to share is about using Facebook groups for travel. You can find a Facebook group for almost every city in the world, and specifically, there are expat groups for most destinations, which is a great place to start because conversations are usually in English regardless of the country. And I share this because these groups can be really useful to travelers, even if you're just visiting and not moving there. Often it's not only expats who join, but also locals who want to connect with foreigners.
Now, if you're not familiar, Facebook groups are created and moderated by individuals for the purpose of sharing information or having conversations online about a particular topic. They can be public groups where you can view everything that people are posting without joining the group, or they can be private where you need to request to join the group before you can actually view the posts.
So I would go into Facebook and search Cebu City Expats. There are actually 6 different expat groups for this one place. You might check out the public groups if you want to just see what's going on, like people will often post events coming up in the city or places they recommend. However, if you want to connect with people more, you're probably going to have a better experience joining a private group. Some are moderated better than others, and whether the vibe of a group is positive or negative really depends. So here are some tips. 1, if you see a lot of spammy promotional posts that the admins aren't taking down, or people are responding rudely to each other, then you can always unfollow that group. There's probably another group that has a better vibe.
Number 2, you can adjust how often you are notified from posts from each Facebook group you join. Number 3, before asking a question in a group, use the search function to see if a conversation about the topic has already taken place in the past. For example, when we went to get our teeth cleaned in a foreign country, Michelle will often search for terms like clinic or dentist to find posts where people have asked for healthcare recommendations, which is really common in these groups.
4, you can also find city-specific Facebook groups for families with kids or homeschooling or apartment rentals. I often suggest starting with expat groups because they're usually in English and people in them are often eager to connect with foreigners. In fact, an expat group is a great place to ask where would be the best place to find other families who have young children or some other interests that you have.
Other ideas to connect with an expat community would be things like international schools, international or English-speaking churches, and possibly sites like meetup.com.